welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another quick and easy video because it is Tuesday and as you can see I am obsessed with laminate paper. Today I am using marble contact paper. Some people call it contact paper, but this says laminate paper, so I'm gonna call it laminate paper. Alright, so so I am obsessed with laminate paper because it is so easy, and then I bought this very cheap melamine shelf piece of wood at Home Depot for $3.94, and I'm just gonna laminate it and I'm gonna add some handles to it, and that's it. It's going to be very pretty and you can use it, you know, to serve your husband in bed, or for your husband to serve you in bed, or you can even put your computer on top of it and get some work done. All right guys, let's get started. These two smaller pieces of wood used to be this bigger piece of wood right here. So when you go to Home Depot, you are going to look for a 12 by 24 melamine wood, which is also called shelf wood or shelving wood. And then you're going to ask one of the nice guys at Home Depot to cut it for you in half. So then you're going to end up with two pieces that are going to measure at 11.5 by 11.5.